How many problems did I give? 5 problems.
5 problems.
Okay. What was the first question? LCM of?
20 and 24.
Slowly. LCM of? 20 and 24.
Sir.
What was the LCM?
Sir, 120. Sir, 120.
How much?
120.
120. Correct. Next question is what?
82 and 52 and 64.
What was the question?
64.
52 and 64. What did you get as the answer? Slowly.
1,905. Sir, 192.
192.
Yes, sir.
How much did you get?
832.
52 and 192. 192 is wrong.
832.
How much?
832.
832.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir, wrong. Sir, 832.
Just a second.
192, sir. Sir, it is 832, sir.
192.
Sir, 192.
832.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
832 is correct. The answer will come out to be 832. Don't worry, we will do this today. Yesterday we discussed to find out the LCM. What is the full form of LCM? It is least common multiple. It is least common multiple. And to find the LCM, there are two methods. First method is prime factorization method. Badrinath, come here.
So that's why I have fever.
Huh?
Yeah,
Fever. Okay. So there are two methods. First method is prime factorization method. Samad, do you have fever? Come. Near Hema. So, first method is prime factorization that we did yesterday. That is a little lengthy, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But since this is your Navodaya entrance exam, you need to do all your problems as quickly as you can.
Yes, sir.
So today we will discuss the second method, that is the division method, which will help you find the results quickly, isn't it? Which will help you find the results quickly. So today we will find this. We will do these questions using division method. Okay? What was the homework questions only? We will do using division method.
18 and 20.
What was the third question?
18 and 20.
18 and
27, 36.
18, 27 and 36. 3, isn't it? Okay. 18, 27 and 36. What is the result?
Sir, 108. Sir, 108.
36, na?
Sir.
Huh? Yeah, switch it on. What happened?
Sir, yes,
No, Badrinath is having fever. Open the door, switch on AC, open it. Sit down. Huh?
108.
Is it 108?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 108 will be the answer. What is the next one?
Sir, 15, 25, 35.
15, 25 and 35, isn't it? Just a second. 35, right? What is the answer? 525. Okay. Now we'll see how this comes using division method. Okay. Now we'll. One more. What was the question? 10, 15 and? What is the answer?
180.
180. What is the answer?
180.
What is the LCM?
180.
10, 15, 30.
Yes, sir.
180. Who said no, sir? 100. What is the answer?
30.
Huh?
30.
30 only. 10, 15 and 30. The LCM is 30. Okay. Let us see using price factorization method how first of all 10, 15 and 30 we'll see. Okay. This question. We'll see for the first question 10, 15 and 30. How it is 30. First let us write the prime factorization of them. Isn't it? For 10 we'll first check with the lowest prime number 2. How do we? For the online students also, I'll just repeat again for everyone. I am saying it. We are doing prime factorization of 10. Yesterday I told that Digant also very nicely. Prime factorization of 10. For that, we'll start checking with the lowest prime numbers. The smallest prime number we know is 2, isn't it? 2. So first, if we divide, can we divide 10 by 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can divide 10 by 2 and we'll get 5. Then 5 itself is a prime number.
Yes, sir.
It will be 5 into 1, 5. So what is the prime factorization of 10?
2 into 85.
2 into 5, this side, isn't it? This will be prime factorization of 10. Next for 15. Let us start with 2. Can you divide 15 by 2? No. Can you divide it by 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it will be 3 into 5, 15. Again, 5 is a prime number itself. 5 ones are. So 3 into 5, 15. Then for 30. 30, can you divide by 2? Yes, it will be 2 into 15. Then 15. For 15 again, also we'll start checking from 2. Can you divide 15 by 2? No. Can you divide 15 by 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes. It will be 3 into 5. Now 5 is itself a prime number. So 5 ones are 5. 2 into 3 into 5, isn't it? 2 into 3 into 5. Now, using prime factorization method, what will be the LCM of 10, 15 and 30? How to write it? First say, in all 3 of them, which is, do you have any common? 5, isn't it? So I'll cut this all of the 5 and I'll write 5 into. Now, in all 3 of them, do you have any other thing common? No. Now we'll search. In 2 of them, do you have anything common? Yes, I can see this 2 is common, isn't it? 2 here and 2 here. I'll write that as 1, 2 only. Isn't it? The common things we'll write as only 1. We'll write the common numbers only once. Then again into. Do you have anything else common? Yes, you have 3 common here and 3 common here. So we'll cut them and we'll write them only once. 3. Do you have any other number left? No number is left. Everything is done. So what is the LCM here? 5 into 2 into 3 is? 5 into 2 into 3 is? 30. 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 3, 30.
Sir, we got only 3 numbers in all group. One number.
No.
Yes, sir.
If there is anything, any number common in not all 3 but even in 2 also, you will take that number and write it only once. Okay? You understood now how to write it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No. Answer is simple. Okay? Is this method clear, everyone? This takes a little more time, isn't it? But the next method, division method, will help you in finding the LCM quicker. And one other very interesting thing, if this question comes in exam, what is the LCM of 10, 15 and 30, someone? You can quickly write the answer. How? Let us see. Let us see. Just see. This number 30. Isn't this a multiple of 15?
Yes, sir.
30 is a multiple of 15?
Sir, 52, sir.
And 15 into 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
30 is a multiple of 15?
3 into 2. Yes, sir.
And is 30 a multiple of 10 also?
Yes, sir.
Is 30 a multiple of 10 also?
Yes, sir.
So this 30 itself is a multiple of both 15 and 10, isn't it? 30 itself is a multiple of both 15 and 10. So what will be the LCM of 10, 15, 30? 30 itself. The lowest common multiple of all three. The least common multiple of all three. Because 30 is a multiple of itself, right? 30 into 1. Understood?
Last number, sir.
The largest number is 30. Isn't it? Basically, you can see in lowest common multiple, since 15 and 10 are both multiples of 30, isn't it? 15 and 10 are both multiples of 30. Okay? So 30 is also a multiple of 30. So for all three of them, 30 is the lowest multiple. Isn't it? So your LCM of 10, 15, 30 will be 30. Clear? Without doing anything, you can directly write it. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us look at which method? Division method. What is LCM full name? LCM full name is least common multiple or lowest common multiple, isn't it? Right it? Go and throw out the chewing gum. Very good. Next, let us see division method, isn't it? Which method? Division method. So, let us see. First, let us find the LCM of 20 and 24 using division method. Okay? So, how to find it? We'll write 20 and 24 here and we'll write it like this. 20, 24. Now, start checking from the lowest prime numbers, which will be start checking from the lowest prime numbers, which will be a common factor to both of them. Which will be a common factor to both of them. Okay? Start checking from the lowest prime numbers, which will be a common factor to both of them. The lowest prime number. The lowest prime number, which will be a common factor to both of them. So, which is the lowest prime number common factor to both of them? Let us start with 2. Can we divide 2 by both of them? We can divide both of them by 2? Exactly. Yes. So it will be 2 in, if you divide, it will be 2 tens are 20 and 2 twelves are 24. 20 divided by 2 is 10 and 24 divided by 2 is 12. Isn't it?
Again it will go by 2.
Now again let us see if they have any common factor. Can you divide them by 2? Yes. Yes. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now 5 and 6. Now 5 and 6, do they have any common factor?
No, sir.
5 and 6, do they have any common factor between them? Any common prime factor? Common prime factor. What factor? Common prime factor. Okay. Common prime factor. Do 5 and 6 have any common prime factor? No, they are co-prime numbers.
Co-prime numbers, sir.
They don't have any common prime factor. So now you can leave it here, or you can do one thing. Since they don't have any common prime factors, we can see. You can check. With 2, can you divide both of them? No.
No, sir.
With 3, can you divide both of them?
No.
No. With 5, can you divide both of them? No. The next number 7 is bigger than both of them, isn't it? So we will just do like this.
Sir, we need to leave.
Now we are finding LCM, right? Just simply we'll write 5 here. Okay. 5 divided by 5 will give you 1.
Again, we'll take 6 down.
But we will not divide anything for 6. We'll simply write it 6. Okay. And similarly here we'll simply write it 1, and 6 divided by 6 is 1. 2 3s are 6. You can write, or you can simply directly write 6. You can either, since they had no common prime numbers, isn't it? Since 5 and 6 had no common prime factors, you can leave it up to this. You can leave it here, or you can write it like this also. Since they have no common prime factors, simply write 5 into 1 5. Write 6 as it is. Again, keep 1 as it is, and 6 ones are 6. Or you write the prime factor for 6. 2 into 3 6. Again 3 into 1 3. Same thing. Okay. You can keep it at 5,6, or you can write it this way also. Clear? How to write it? This is LCM, isn't it? This is LCM. So what will be the LCM now? Multiplication of all these. Here it is 1, 1, multiplication of all this. 2 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 3. Okay. How much? It will come out to be 120. Okay. Clear? This is how we do division method. This is how we do division method. Come back. Okay, next place. So this is how we do division method. Can I erase the board? Who said 1 second? Okay, done. Okay. Next we'll check for this. Okay, 18, 27 and 36. Now first check whether you have any prime number that can divide all 3 of them. Can you divide all 3 of them by the lowest prime number 2? No. You cannot divide all of them by 2. Can you divide it? No.
We can divide it by 3 also.
You can divide all of them by 3. Isn't it? You can write 3 into 6 18, 3 into 9 27, and 3 into 12 36, isn't it? 3 12s are 36. Now can you divide all of them by 2? No, because 9 is there. Can you divide all of them by 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I can divide all of them by 3. Now can you divide all of them by any number?
Yes, sir.
2, 4, and 4. No.
Sir, we can get 2.
Can you divide all of them by any number? No. Okay. Since we cannot divide all 3 numbers 2, 3 and 4 by any prime factor, now we will take 2 at a time. 3 at a time we cannot divide. Now you take how many man? 2 at a time.
6 and 2.
Now 2 at a time, see 2 and 4. Can I divide both of them by a prime factor?
Yes, sir.
We can divide both of them by 2.
2 ones are
2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, isn't it? And this 3 will write it as it is. Will not touch this 3. We'll write it
as it is.
as it is. Clear? Now, can you divide any other 2 numbers at a time? Can you divide any other 2 numbers at a time?
No, we should take 2. But we should take 3 1 3 2 1 2. Yes, sir.
What happened?
So we need to take first. Sir, we should take 3 1 sir.
Fine.
3 1
Yeah. Now, can you take any 2 at a time and find any common prime factor?
No, sir.
Emma, can you find any common prime factor taking 2 at a time? No, right? 1 and 3? No. 1 and 2? No. 2 and 3? No. You can leave it here, or you can so leave it here, or you can write something like
2 1 sir.
2 ones are 2 first, okay, and keeping the remaining numbers same. And again you can write 3 ones are 3 and keeping the remaining numbers same. Okay? Okay? All okay? So here I will get all 1 1 1 over, nothing else. So LCM is multiplication of all this on the side, isn't it? So what is your LCM? LCM is multiplication of all these on the side. LCM is 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. What will be the answer? 108. 108, isn't it? Okay. So you understood how to find the LCM of 2 numbers or 3 numbers at a time? 108, isn't it? Clear? Is the LCM by division method clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
The remaining homework that I gave you yesterday, try that by this division method, okay? It will take less time. Today I will give more homework, but yesterday what I gave, try it by division method, okay?
So today.
Okay? Can I erase the board?
Yes, sir.
Quickly.
Sir, you can erase the.
I can erase it. You have written everything down.
Sir.
What? Not checking that. Is handwriting in this? Is your handwriting? Handwriting also.
Sir, see.
Come here. Come here. You want to see? Come here. Bring your book. Bring your book and copy. Where was your copy? Inside the bag, isn't it? Inside the bag. Very good. Still inside the bag, isn't it? Did you do yesterday's homework? Where is your homework from yesterday? Show me. Where is the homework from yesterday, Samar? Show me the homework. Yes, where it is? I just told you to write it down and then not do it, isn't it? What did I tell you? Write the homework, but don't do the homework, right? Isn't it? Yeah. Very good. Keep it up. So, everybody understood how to do division method LCM?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm erasing the board now.
Sir.
Next. Suppose you have some question based on bells. Look at the book.
Sir, page number?
Page number 34.
Sir.
Page number 34. Questions based on bells. Okay.
What is sir?
Bells. The first topic in this question based on bells. What is the question given? Example: 6 bells commence ringing together and ring at intervals of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds respectively. After what interval of time will they ring again together? So, what is the question given? There are 6 bells, isn't it? First bells.
Sir, bells means?
Bells. Bell. Ghanta. Bell. Bell, isn't it? This is what a bell looks like, isn't it? Huh?
Yes, sir.
This is your bell, right? I'm not a good artist, but this is what a bell looks like. Someone isn't it? So, you have bells. How many bells you have?
6 bells.
6 bells ringing. They have told 6 bells are ringing together, isn't it? Now, the 6 bells are ringing at particular intervals. What do you mean by interval? After every this much of time, isn't it? You have your class period. How many minutes? 45 minutes. So, your period bell, every period rings after 45 minutes. Likewise, we have 6 bells given here. Your period bell rings after. So your period bell rings at an interval of 45 minutes. Okay? If your period bell rings after every 45 minutes, it means your period bell rings at an interval of 45 minutes, isn't it? So in the question is given 6 bells. Ring at an interval of how many seconds? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds respectively. Isn't it? What is the name? Huh? What? Liquid. People back down. Stand up. What will you do with your coffee? What will you do with your coffee? Are you writing anything down? You're writing anything down. So, you want your coffee, right? Very good. So, what is the question given? There are 6 bells ringing after every 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 6 seconds, 8 seconds, 10 seconds and 12 seconds respectively, like this, isn't it? Now, you have to find after what time? After they will ring together. After what time they will all ring? They all ring? The bells make what sound? So, after what time will they ring together? One bell is ringing after every 2 seconds. Say, after every 2 seconds. Another bell is ringing after 4 seconds. Another bell is ringing after. Let me write it like this. One bell after 2 seconds. Another after 4 seconds. Another after every 6 seconds. Another after every 8. Another after every 10. And another after 12 seconds. So this will after 2 seconds again it will ring it here. This will again ring it here and so on, isn't it? Like this. This one will ring at 8 here, then again at 12 here, and so on. This one will ring at 12 here now, after every 6 seconds. This one after every 8 seconds, means at 16 seconds. This one after every 10 seconds, means 20. After every 12 seconds, means 24. Like this, isn't it? So you are seeing some of them are matching, isn't it? See? Some of them are getting matched, right? See? Aren't they matching? So you have to find at what time they will all ring together. At what time will all the 6 of them match together or ring together for the very first time? Question, everything okay? Will all of them ring together for the very first time? And how will you find that? With the help of LCM. Is it clear? Why you want to use LCM here?
Because to find out.
To find after what time they will all ring together for the first time. Okay? So, to find the answer to that, you have to find the who is whispering? Lick it.
Sir, this is the number. Yes, sir, this voice. Right.
Bring your copy. Bring your copy. Bring your copy. Sir, come. Okay, come this side. Come this side. Give me space. Just a minute, I am sharing the screen quickly. So, to find after what time, I told you to bring a copy. I have a book. You know what a copy looks like? You know what a copy looks like? What is your name? Aditya. You know what your copy looks like? Where is yesterday's homework? Where is yesterday's homework? This is the questions. Where are the answers? Answers here. So, what happened, Hemant? Playing over, okay? Playing time over with the rest. Now let us look at the board. So to find after what time they will all ring together for the first time, when their times will match. When all of their times will match for the first time. Are you able to understand? Why LCM? So that we can find after what time will all the times match. That is why we will find the LCM, the lowest common multiple, the least common multiple of all these times. Settled? Least common multiple of all these times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. We have to find the LCM of all these, isn't it? How to find the LCM? We'll use division method. It will be quicker. If you want to find using prime factorization method here, there are 6 numbers. You'll keep on prime factorization each number again and again. It will take a lot of time, isn't it? That is why division method is quicker. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let us check with 2. Can you divide 2 on?
Yes, sir.
There are 6 numbers, isn't it? At least, can you divide at least 2 numbers of them by 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can divide. See? You can divide actually all of them by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 5. Digan, 12 twos are 12 twos are 13 twos are 13 twos are. So here we can see that we can divide at least 2 of these numbers by 2. Actually, we can divide all of them by 2. So we took 2 here in front, and we see that 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 5, 10, and 2 into 6, 12. We write them like this, isn't it? Now again, let us check for this. Can you divide at least 2 of these by 2? Yes, so I'll take 2. I cannot divide 1. I'll keep 1 as it is. Can I divide 2? Yes. 2 into 1, 2. I cannot divide 3, so I will keep 3 as it is. Then I can divide 4 by 2. 2 into 2, 4. I cannot divide 5, so I'll keep it as it is. And 2 into 3 will give me 6, isn't it? Now, can you divide it by 2? Yes. There is a 2 here. We can see that there is a 2 here, so we'll write 2 in front. 1 will remain as 1, 1 will remain as 1, 3 will remain as 3. Here we'll write 2 into 1, 2, isn't it? And then 5 will remain 5, and 3 will remain 3. Right? And now, can you divide any more by 2? No, but now we can divide by 3, isn't it? 1 will remain here, 3 into 1, 3. 5 will remain as it is, 3 into 1, 3. And finally this 5. You don't need to divide it, but still you can write it. 5, 1, 1, 1 and 1. We have got all of these as 1. Here all of them are 1. So your LCM will be multiplication of all this. Yes, so LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Which is equal to 120. Okay. So this is all about LCM. Next day we will do HF. Okay. Now let us look at the doubt session. I'll be over at the last doubt session. I'll come into them. Wait. Can I erase the ball? You said no, sir? Quickly. Okay, doubt session now. Just a second. Yes, Sai Kumar, what is your doubt? You raise your hand, Sai Kumar. Sai, what is your doubt? You can unmute. Yes. I gave a book. Yes, Sai, ask your doubt. What is your doubt? Yesterday homework, fourth one. 15, 25 and 35. You have a doubt in that? Yesterday's fourth one, 15, 25 and 35. Okay, you want to do that using prime factorization or division method? Just with it. Prime factorization. Okay. Okay, let's see. I'm erasing the board. So, yesterday's homework number 4, okay? Yesterday's homework number 4, 15, 25. 15, 25, and 35. So prime factorization method, isn't it? How will you prime factor? Did I just do it? No. How will you prime factorize 15? We cannot divide 15 by 2. So the next prime number is 3. 3 into 5 will get 15. And then 5 itself is a prime number, so 5 into 1, 5. So, what is 15? 3 into 5? Okay. Sai, is it okay? You can unmute Sai. Stay online. Stay online, don't mute, okay? So Sai, is it clear? 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Now for 25, if you check, can you divide 25 by 2? No. Can you divide 25 by 3? No. So which is the prime factor? 5, isn't it? 5 into 5, 25. And 5 itself is a prime number, so 5 into 1, 5. Right? 25 can be written as 5 into 5. And what about 35? 35 can you divide with 2? No. Can you divide with 3? No. Sai, stay online, don't mute. Sai, unmute yourself. 35 you cannot divide by 2 or 3. You can sit on one sit on. Don't have space there. Huh? So did you ask to go to the washroom? Yes. So you cannot divide 35 by 2 or 3. The first prime number you can divide 35 by is 5. 5 into 7, 35, and then 7 into 1, isn't it?
Because it is prime number.
Yes. 7 into 1 because 7 is a prime number.
Prime number.
So 35 can be written as 5 into 7.
Yes, sir.
Now, what will be the LCM? First we will find all the common numbers. See, I can see 5 is common in all of them, isn't it? 5, 5, 5. 1, 5. Only 1, 5. Then do you have anything else common in at least 2?
No, sir.
No other common. Not even in all 3 and not even in at least 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Question is? All okay? Not even in all 3, not even in at least 2. So, we will simply write them one by one. 3, 3. Right? 3, 5 and 7. Okay? We have written one of these 5. Cancel. But there is another 5 here, isn't it? These 3, 5 and 7, they are not common anywhere. You don't have your copy out, but still you are. So, 3, 5 and 7. So this will be our LCM. 5 into 3 into 5 into 7. What will be the answer? Answer will be 525. Okay? You have a doubt from this way? Question? Which one number? Number 10. Okay, I'm clearing the board now. One of the students here, what is your name? Preksha is here now from chapter 3, right? From chapter 3, what? You do your homework. Are you clear?
Sir,
Sit down. Go home and you can serve it. You serve it home. Where's your homework? Huh? What about this homework? So, chapter number 3, page number 26. Question number, picture, your question only. Question number 10. Right. On subtracting 1 by 3 from 2. On subtracting 1 by 3. On subtracting 1 by 3 from 2. What will remain? Does everyone know how to subtract fractions?
Yes, sir.
Everyone knows how to subtract fractions?
Yes, sir.
Still in the test, the question number 30. It was a very simple subtraction. You remember question number 30 from the test? 1 by 6 minus 1 by 7. Hardly 2 or 3 of you got it here. The easiest question of the question. So how to subtract this fraction? Pressure 2 minus 1 by 3, isn't it? 2 minus 1 by 3. We'll first take the LCM. LCM will be of 3 and 1 here. 2 means 2 by 1, isn't it? We don't write 1, so LCM will be 3. Now it will be 2 into 3 because there it is 1, isn't it? 1 into 3 is 3, so 2 into 3 minus 3 into 1 gives you 3. So it will be 1 into 1, isn't it? So it will be 3 into 2, 6 minus 1 by 3. What will this be? 5 by 3. Did you understand? Is it clear?
Sir, 5 by 3 stands. 5 by 3 stands. 5 by 3 stands. Sir, that's
Oh.
Sir,
So it is 5 by 3, but in your options they have given in mixed fraction, isn't it? So if you convert 5 by 3 to mixed fraction, what will this be?
Sir, 2 by 3.
If you divide 5 by 3, you get 3 into 1, 3.
2 by 3.
Remainder is 2, isn't it? So how do you write a mixed fraction? First you write the divisor as whole number 1. And then this remainder on top 2. And this divisor 3 below 3. Okay? So the answer should be 1, 2 by 3. Isn't it? Clear picture?
Yes, sir.
The answer is this 1, 2 by 3. Okay? Next, Manvi, this is out.
Sir, 12.
Number 12. This book is this yours. Can I erase the board?
Sir.
Manvi, this is out. Chapter 4. Self-practice. Okay. Page number 32.
Sir.
Question number 12.
88.
Number 12. 12.
Sir, calling me, take your back. Take your back.
One second.
Sir, can I take?
Manvi, question number 12, no? Okay.
Sir, can I take my back?
Later.
Sir, no more question. Sir.
So, question number 12 is prime factors of 88 are.
88.
The options are 3, 4, 6 and 8. So prime factors of 88 means you have to find how many prime factors do you have for 88. Okay. How many prime factors? Check for 88. What are the prime factors of 88? Start with 2. Can you divide 88 by 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you divide 88 by 3?
Yes, sir.
Can you divide it by 5?
Yes, sir.
88 by 5? No. Can you divide 88 by 7? 7?
Four we can divide it. Sir,
Check only the prime factors. What is the question given?
sir,
Prime factors of 88. So we will only check for the prime numbers. Can you divide it by 7?
no, sir.
No. The next prime number is 11. Can you divide it by 11?
Sir, two.
Okay.
Sir, but 11 option is not there.
11 is, just a second.
Sir, but 11 is sir, it is not 11. Sir, 11 is 88. Sir, 11 is 88. Yes,
So, not printing mistake. 11 is 11 you can divide. Okay. Can you divide any other 88 by any other prime number? No. Why? Let us check. 88 equal to 11 into 8, isn't it? You can check it in this way. 88 equal to 11 into 8. Okay. Or you have to find number of prime factors. Na? Let us do it this way. Divide 88. Find the prime factorization of 88. Can you find the prime factorization of 88? Start with 2. 44. Again we can start with 2.
22.
Again we can start with 2.
2,
11. And then 11 into 1. Now question is given prime factors of 88 are. How many prime factors do you see here for 88? 88 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. So total how many? 4. Okay. Manvir? That is how 4 comes. Pratap? You have a doubt? You had a doubt from yesterday you heard? Okay.
Sir, I have sir, 6 and 37.
Prime factors of 210. In this way you will find out. Okay. 13 common multiple of 7 is 17 within 5 or 6. We'll see it next day, okay? Quickly write down homework, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Quickly write the homework.
Yes, sir. Division method.
Sit.
Division method. Sir.
Find the LCM by division method. Quickly write your homework, everyone. Find the LCM by division method.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Homework.
Yes, sir. Sir, first is
So these are your homeworks. Find the LCM by division method. Okay. Three questions for me. Okay, so that will be all for today. Everybody has written down the homework. Written down the homework. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Sir, should I like this?
Yes, do it now. Here at the last is going to give this. This line is yeah, one more. This line.
Bye, sir.
Okay then, that will be all for today.
Bye, sir.
Everyone sitting at home, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.